Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priscilla, and today I want to talk to you guys about, so you got into nursing school, you got into every single, into the school that you wanted, and now you have fundamentals of nursing, and how do you pass that? Fundamentals of nursing is the basis of all nursing school theology, and how they teach you and what they want you to learn and how they expect nurses to think. And they talk about the nursing process, and with the nursing process comes how they're going to be testing you and how they're going to be asking you questions based on the nursing process. So my very first tip is to, one, know the nursing process and figure out how you can use the nursing process in all areas of your life, whether it's going to the store and finding, the right medication for your baby, or finding the right workout routine for you. Use the nursing process, and that will definitely help you go forth within the nursing school. My second tip on how to pass fundamentals is you have a choice of reading your book. I did not read my book. You can read your book and figure out what your nurse or your instructor, which is probably a nurse, wants you to go forth and read. But I chose to read the PowerPoint slides because a lot of the times they take the exact thing from the book and put it in the slides. And yes, I paid over $1,000 for my nursing books for my very first semester. But I just used, by the end of nursing school, all I did was look at my slides and do practice questions based on what they taught me. And that's tip number 2 and number 3. Look at your slides and what is your teacher exactly teaching you? What is she teaching you? And then do 100 to 150 practice questions almost every night leading to the exam. Now, if you can't do 100 to 150, do 20, do 50, but do as many practice exams or practice questions, because you know what? You can't write the same questions in a different way 50 different times, Of course, you have to figure out the way you learn and your different learning styles and stuff like that, but practice questions, reading your slides, knowing what she talked about, and recording. The last thing is record your teacher. Because recording really literally saved my life in nursing school. And I listened to that while I was driving. I listened to that audio tape everywhere, and I even started mimicking my teachers and their jokes I would laugh at. It's weird. It gets weird, guys. It gets really weird, but that is something that you guys can all do. It's super easy. Good luck in nursing school. Have an awesome day. Bye.